In 2025, a staggering 85 million jobs are expected to vanish, wiped out by innovative advancements in artificial intelligence. Industries such as manufacturing, customer service, and transportation are on the way to losing 85 million jobs to AI and automation. And today we're going to unveil how Amazon is a part of this AI revolution. This video, we will explore the 3 key sectors where Amazon AI technologies are nearing to replace human workers. So stay tuned to the end of this video to find out the automated ways Amazon is at the forefront of this AI revolution. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest in AI news. Now let's dive into AI to fire millions, focusing on 3 main areas where Amazon's advancements in AI are poised to replace human labor. Our first point of discussion is Amazon's automated warehousing, primarily through automated fulfillment systems. Amazon's employment of robotics in its fulfillment centers is already a highlight, prominently showcased by their deployment of Kiva robots. These robots streamline the picking and packing process, minimizing the necessity of human labor in these roles. By the year 2025, Amazon is projected to further upgrade these systems with cutting-edge AI, leading an even higher degree of automation in warehousing operations. This could significantly reduce the required workforce, as machines assume an increasing number of complex and varied tasks. Secondly, Amazon's utilization of sophisticated AI-driven customer service is another breakthrough. Amazon employs AI to drive its customer service, notably through its virtual assistant, Alexa, and automated chatbots on its platforms. These solutions address a broad spectrum of customer queries and issues that would typically human intervention. As these AI mechanisms evolve by 2025, they're predicted to manage a growing percentage of customer service interactions, thereby reducing the demand for human customer service agents. And our third point of distinction is delivery automation. Amazon is spearheading the use of drones via its Amazon Prime Air service and is also testing autonomous delivery vehicles. These advancements aim to automate the final leg of the delivery process. As drone and autonomous vehicle technology advance and regulatory approvals are obtained, it's probable that by 2025, Amazon will roll these technologies out more extensively. This progression will disrupt conventional roles in package delivery, potentially phasing out numerous delivery driver positions. There you have it. It's not hidden why Amazon could see substantial layoffs in 2025. A round of applause for our friend AI. The AI revolution is compelling workers to adapt to a swiftly transforming job market or face the harsh reality of being left behind. It's time to adapt, and the clock is ticking. This isn't a distant dream. It's a forthcoming reality we're preparing to embrace. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just remember to hit the subscribe button below and stay updated on the latest AI news. See you next time!